Good morning, my dear students. So today we are going to continue our topic pronouns. In first video we learned different kinds of pronouns. In second video we learned specifically about relative pronoun, and today we learn about personal pronoun cases. As you know, there are three types of personal pronouns: first person, second person and third person. So, how are these pronouns used in subjective or nominative cases, and how are these pronouns used in objective cases? It means, where are they used as subject and where are they used as? Let us have a look at personal pronoun chart. So students, as you can see the chart on your screens, so here I have differentiated between all the persons and also between possessive adjectives and as well as pronouns. If I talk about first person singular, here I is used as subjective case, whereas me is used as objective case. My is possessive adjective. It is not a possessive pronoun. Make sure that you are clear about possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns, because many a times students feel that my is a pronoun, but no, it is not a pronoun, it is a possessive adjective. Look at the table carefully. Now if I talk about first person plural, we is used as subjective case and us is used as objective case. In second person singular as well as plural, you is used as subjective case as well as objective case. If I talk about third person male singular, he is used as subjective case and him is used as objective case. Similarly, if I talk about third person female singular, she is subject and her is object. If I talk about third person singular, in which things and animals are also considered, so here for both the cases, subjective and objective, it is used, and its is possessive adjective. It is not a possessive pronoun. And if I talk about third person plural, so this is common for everything, for things, for animals and as well as for persons. They is used as subjective case and them is used as objective case. And I have also mentioned the reflexive pronouns of each and every person. So I hope this is clear from this table what are subjective cases and what are objective cases. Now let's have a look at an example. So first is she called him, in which she is working as subject, called is verb and him is working as object, right? So she and him both are pronouns, whereas she is working as subjective case and immediately after the verb that is followed by the verb we use objective cases. So this thing you must remember, that immediately after the verb objective case is used. So we have used him here, we have not used he. We cannot say she called he, right? So let's see another example. He laughed at me, where he is working as subjective case and me is working as objective case. Now there we need to follow when we are doing pronouns. So first is, whenever there is a word between, we always use objective case of pronoun, right? It will be clearer to you with the examples. So let's see some examples. Between you and me, between him and me, between them and us, between Hari and me. So you can see in all the four examples I have used objective case. You, me, him, them, us. Here all the cases are used as objective cases. Now let's come to the second rule. With complement of be verb, we always use subjective case of pronoun. All of you know the forms of verb of be, that is, am, are, was, were and been. So be, it is not an action verb. It represents state of something. So case used here is subjective case. Let's look at some examples. If someone asks you, who is there? You might have heard many a times it is me, but that is informal. Now what is informal? Informal means in our colloquial language we speak me, that is objective case. But otherwise, if we go for formal writing after the be verb, it is subjective case of the pronoun. So your answer should be it is I, right? We cannot go for informal thing. We always go for formal thing when it comes to writing. Like it was he, not him. It was they, not them. And if I were he, not him. Now third rule is after the conjunction then, subjective case of pronoun is used. They are richer than us. Again it is informal. We cannot write like this. Many a times you must have heard from people who say they are richer than us, she is wiser than me, but actually subjective case is used, so the correct answer should be they are richer than we, that is formal. You are wiser than her, it is informal one, but the correct thing is you are wiser than she. If you feel confusion, you can think in your mind or you can put verb after the pronoun. Like they are richer than we are. You are wiser than she is. And your confusion will be. Now next is with transitive verb, the choice between subject and object forms depends upon what is meant. Like example is you hate him as much as I. You hate him as much as me. So in both the sentences I have used different case of pronoun. So the sense is totally different. Right? In first sentence, तुम उसे उतनी नफरत करते हो जितनी कि मैं करता हूँ. But in second sentence, तुम उसे उतनी नफरत करते हो जितनी मुझे करते हो. I means मैं and me means मुझे. So the sense of the sentence is totally changed. He spoke to you as well as I. तुम उससे ऐसे बोले जैसे मैं बोला. He spoke to you as well as me. तुम उससे ऐसे बोले जैसे कि वो मुझसे बोला. Right? So if we use different cases of pronoun, the sense of the sentence is totally. Now the next rule is in case of let. In case of let, objective case is used. Let is a verb and after verb we always use objective case of pronoun. You might be remembering, like when I gave you the first example, she called him. I told you that after the verb objective case is used. So examples are, let me go out. I cannot say let I go out. Let us go for a walk. That is the correct sentence. But if I say let we go for a walk, so it is a wrong sentence. So after the verb, we are to use objective case of pronoun. And I think this topic is clear to you. That's all from my side for this. Thank you so much.